Expect a longer journey if other vehicles such as UV Express vans will be allowed to pass through the EDSA busway. This is the response of Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA Chairperson Romando Artes to the suggestion made by House Deputy Minority Leader, Bagong Henerasyon Party List Representative Bernadette Herrera to expand the access to the EDSA busway.
Kung papayagan po natin lahat dyan, aside from the buses ng EDSA bus carousel, makaklag up po yan at babagal yung biyahe nitong mga bus na bumabaybay dyan dahil maglalabas-masok.
According to Representative Herrera, to be fair and allot the middle lanes of EDSA for motorists with private vehicles, she suggests to the Department of Transportation and MMDA that UV Express vans, cargo vans, and cargo trucks carrying perishable and essential goods be allowed to pass through the busway. Through this, the road space of the busway would supposedly be maximized. However, according to the MMDA, this would defeat the purpose of the EDSA carousel, which is to transport commuters quickly. Instead of taking an hour and a half to travel from Caloocan City to Pasay City, the journey time might double if access to the EDSA busway is expanded. Meanwhile, for some bus drivers, conductors, and passengers, adding more vehicles to the EDSA busway is not practical.
Sa gabal yun, bus pa nga lang, nagda-traffic na, yun pa kayang dadagdagan pa. Hindi siya convenient. Kung ganun lang din naman, para na rin walang bus lane yun kasi hahaluan ng ibang ano.
Mas matatagal kasi kung magsasabay yung bus at saka yung UV, medyo tatagal na yun sa bababaan ng mga bus.
Babagal lalo yung daloy. Siyempre, magpupuno-punuan tayo dyan.
Magkukos ng traffic yan kasi madaming gustong sumakay tapos sa kanila, pili lang yung isasakay sa kanila eh.
Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.